this is the table of data that the team have collected. So first of all, we must select this table of data and click Ctrl C to copy it. Now we can go to our Excel, and after we create our blank spreadsheet, we can copy down the table of data that we just copied just now. But be careful with the number of row and column. It must be the same with the table of data we just copied just now. Now click Ctrl V, and here we have the table of data into our Excel. But if you can see here, the data is a bit ugly, so we can move the row so it fit it perfectly. Boom! Now, the next step is we must click into one cell of the table of data and click Ctrl T. And after that, it will show a create table. Important that you click my table as header. Now, after that, create our map chart is by firstly we go to insert, and next we collect the data with the name of the country that we want, and how to highlight the favorite social media platform that we want to create a map chart with without combining with the respondent is hold Ctrl and drag it down. Now you can see up here in insert there is a maps, and click it. By clicking the field map, it will create a world maps. Now, functionally use the map chart is we must create a slicer for our table of data. So now we go back and highlight back our table of data and go to insert again and click here which says slicer. After that, we must click country, and then we have a slicer we will functionally use to click into each of every country. So make the slicer look more cleaner is by changing the column right here, so it will be more slicker. Then for the chart, we can change the chart title with TikTok because that is the social media platform chart that we are looking right now. So right here you can see that the slicer can be used to check the every country. But right here, if your map chart is bugging, we can do is we can drag it to be more bigger, and then we can see each of the country that we want to look. And also there also a multi-select button. You can see both country in the same time or even more. For our Instagrams and Facebooks, we must do it individually, just as the same as how we did the TikTok. Now for our Instagram and Facebook map chart, all you had to do is just repeat the step where we do the map chart in the insert and the slicer. So it will look like this. I have completed Instagram, and third Facebook. And three of these map chart can function